Hey, what's up guys, so update all of you doing well. So after the 1 year 8 update, there are multiple new updates available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. So today in this video, we will check out those updates. The last update was of 1 year 8, so there's a new Google Play system updates. For that, you just have to go into the about phone, then tap on software information, then tap on Google Play system update. From here, you will get to see that a new update of 65 MBs in size, including the latest security update from the Google, is available. First of all, you will have to download this update, then you have to install it. The last Google Play system update was of August 1st, 2025. Once the update is downloaded, you will have to tap on Restart Now to complete the installation process. Simply tap on Restart Now when your device is completely free, as during this installation process, you will be unable to use your device. And your device will automatically restart after this installation process, and now your device will be on the latest September 1st, 2025 Google Play system update. Now let's move on to the next updates that are available for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. For that, go into the Galaxy Store app, then you have to tap on Menu, then tap on Updates. From here, you will get to see that there are multiple new app updates available. Simply tap on Update All to update them all instantly, or tap on this icon in front of each app if you want to update a singular app at once. Moving on to the next update, so the next update is in the Galaxy Wearable. So the Galaxy Watch 7 Manager has got a new update. For that, simply tap on Galaxy Wearable app and you will get to see a new update. A new version is available of 165 MBs. So you can update that as well. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the new updates available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. So check them out, and if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.